Hi, good evening, guys, and welcome to 99 Yellow Cars. It's been a while. So we have a special episode today. We have a special guest. He's a friend of mine. I would like to introduce Aki. Hi, Aki.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello, good evening. Uh,
Good evening.
from when we are now.
Yeah. So tonight we're going to discuss his improv journey. Kung okay lang, Aki. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay,
Uh,
hello everyone. I'm Achilles Cortez or Aki for short. I've been with an improv group called Bimpos since 2018 tayo nag-start, 2017, 18. But
2018.
I've 2018. But I've known about improv since way before 2013 if I'm not mistaken when we started watching Spit. Uh, the City People's Improv Theater, the OG improv group of the Philippines, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Okay. Pero since 2018 nga, nung nag-form ng Bimpo, hindi pa Bimpo nung time na yun, yung sila Toto, si Rai, tsaka si,
Sila
oh my God,
Tams.
makimalimutan ako. Si Tams, tsaka
Si Den at saka si Jan.
si Den, tsaka si Tiano.
Yeah,
Nalimutan ko pa. Yun.
yung founders. Teka, what's your
Yes.
occupation pala, Aki?
Yeah. I'm an architect for McDonald's Philippines or GADC, Golden Arches Development Corporation. One of the in-house architects. Baka isipin lang ako lang nag-isip ng lahat. Um,
So, paano ka ba nag-start sa Bipo? Sino ba in-invite ka ba? Who invited
uh,
you?
yes, I got invited by Toto, uh, one of the founders of the group, one of our teachers.
Ando ka ba nung first parang teaser jam nila?
I
Or
hindi ko sure kung ilang naging teasers ng Bimpo when it was starting out, but I think I was there the first time.
parang dalawa pa lang yata. But I was there kasi nung second. And I know parang ikaw was at the first
I think so. I believe
or
so.
three or something.
Mm-mm.
Eh,
Mm-mm.
2018, so matagal na yun. So yun nga. So how has it been? How's your, what got you hooked into improv?
Well, it was really fun watching the improvisers do it on stage, knowing that there's no script. So you have to be on your toes, but you have to a story that will capture the audience. Ang nakatawa pa, did you get the just get um, prompts or suggestions from the audience and you play with it. Um, for me naman kasi, I guess I've always been into the performing arts since elementary. I've been doing plays.
Mm-hmm.
I I've been with a choir
Yes.
since college. So medyo performance art yan. Well, pero ang difference kasi improv, hindi siya scripted, walang practice on the spot
Correct.
ka mag-isip. Eh, I think mas at the beginning mas comfortable ako na may practice na everything's pak 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 pak. Kasi 'di ba when you sing in a choir hindi pwedeng improv 'yun. Lalo kanya sa misa. You have to
Yeah.
practice or lalo sa concerts. So sa improv wala. Just pull out from memory, from your experiences and deliver.
Correct. Yeah. Um, pero what was it hard parang doing improv at the start? Kasi ako, to be honest, medyo nahirapan. And then eventually we got the
Ay,
hang of it.
was it hard at the start?
Yes.
Yeah, parang ang tagal na, no? I think yes, mahirap siya in a sense na you had to unlearn things that you're used to when performing on stage.
Correct.
Na isipin mo, kasi as an actor, you think of yung tawag dito, yung your place sa stage, sa space na you're going to play in. Parang aral yun. Pero in some sense, I think meron akong idea about being eh, as- siguro baka nagbubuhat ng bangko, pero I think meron naman akong stage presence in that sense, na pag nasa stage ako, alam ko na kailangan nakaharap sa audience and don't turn your back. I think in that aspect, I have an idea how to be on stage, pero not without practice.
Mhm.
Na that's what improv does. And it's a good way of being more confident about yourself, what you
Right.
know, of what you think of on the spot is good. And so simula nga as per your question, the beginning ang mahirap lang is so anong gagawin ko? Hindi pa ako familiar sa finding your character, finding the story, 'di ba?
Yes.
Yung kasi practically improv, you can just go on stage and then another performer comes in and you find each other pero supposedly magkakilala na kayo,
Yeah. Mhm.
'di ba? So you start in the middle of a story na, you know. And what's good about that is the audience will know naman. You treat your audience as intelligent naman. They'll get it na mag-asawa to nag-aaway ganun. Or nagliligawan to, mag-classmates to. They'll get it based on, you don't have to say na, hi, Gabe, my classmate. Well, hindi ganun yung banat natin sa improv, di ba? Parang, kunyari, sabihin mo lang, uy, pa-copy ng assignment. Parang ganun. So parang gets mo na, classmate kayo. So parang ganun, in that sense, mas natutuwa ako sa improv na uh, you think on your feet and ano pa yung concept na ano na make each other look good.
Right. Yes.
So although mahirap siya sa umpisa, since nagsasaluhan kayo, dumali ng dumali. And then I felt more confident about uh, acting what I think about and playing what is thrown at me. Although lalo na first ever show natin, nung going there, parang okay pa ako sige, ang dami ko natutunan, tagal-tagal natin nagpa-practice. Pero on the day itself, grabe, ang kaba ko. Sobrang, what if I, di ba, mess up, ganun. What if I make it bad for everyone, di ba? Parang, yung fears ko biglang nandiyan na.
Same. Sobrang nakakatakot that day. Um, what was your besides the things that you mentioned, what was the most important lesson that you learned um sa improv? Like, what's the life lesson or how do you apply it in your life?
Okay, um, actually, medyo ano lang, it's kind of really basic for improv, but yes, and is really powerful. Kasi parang it's a way of taking care of of your partner. Actually, napanood ko rin kay Tina Fey when she was explaining what improv is.
Yes.
Yes, and talaga kunyari, ang explanation pa niya ganito yung example niya. Kunyari you offer them, I'm giving you a cherry. Ganun. Kasi hindi ka narinig ng partner mo. Sabi niya, oh, thanks for the apple. And nung sinabi niya, tituloy kita sa apple na. Parang ganun yung kwento ni Tina Fey. Pero I'm not sure, baka nagkamali na ako ng details. Or something like that. Kung nagkamali siya, yun ang sinabi niya apple, it's an apple na. Ganun. In that
Right.
sense, parang, ayun, parang saluhan lang talaga kayo. No one will look bad. Even if you're playing play fighting, kasi kunyari yung scene nyo, it will elevate the scene pa kasi parang gets ng makukuha naman ng audience na, ay, hindi sila nagkakasundo talaga or ay, ang galing ng away nila.
Yeah.
Ang galing ng away nila, parang they have chemistry. Parang ganun.
Right. And diba, we learned that in improv, everything is an offer and it's a good offer and parang walang mistakes, ganun.
Mm-mm.
So just, treat it as what it is.
Mm.
What was your most memorable experience dun sa time na sa panahon na nag-improv tayo since the start?
I think the most memorable thing that I've done with improv is when we were able to join Manila Improv Fest because hindi kasi ang audience dun hindi lang improvisers, but improvisers from all over the world.
Yes.
'Di ba? Tas parang everyone was like cheering us on. We were like bunso na ano, performing, and everyone was like veteran. Ang gagalingan ng improv ano nila plays nila nung napanood ko sila, ay mga Spanish gano'n, tsaka iba pang ano foreigners. Tas nung nandun na tayo when we were performing, may mga moments pang ano, biglang kakabahan ako parang dead air pero, ah, may maisip kang hirit, ibabato mong gano'n. So parang it was so exhilarating. It
Yeah.
was frightening but
Yeah.
grabe sa
That was really memorable. Ayun. Yan. So saan na ba tayo? Yeah. Yung most
most
memorable
memorable.
was yung sa ano nga, sa Manila Improv Festival. Sobrang ngaref, hindi ko alam. Pero it was very fruitful, or na after nung
Yes.
show, parang sobrang high siya. And it
Yes.
lasted
And
for
my telling you about it right now, bigla ko naramdaman naman yung ano, yung butterflies. Ang
kasi
saya.
mamaya may announcement tayo. So what ano pa ba gusto ko itanong sa'yo? Hmm, uh, what lessons have you learned na gusto mong i-impart sa, since we have new members, 'di ba? Since we expanded our our group, what are some of the lessons that you want to share with them?
Okay. Something to share for the new ones. Learn pa rin ano na, realize pa rin yung ano, yung finding your, paano ba yung phrase? Finding your character, finding the game, finding the game. Kasi ang improv is not about stand-up comic.
Hmm.
It's not about stand-up comedy. You play in a situation. So medyo realist, you can play it as a realistic and the comedy will just come out eh.
Yeah.
Na kunyari,
Kasi
kahit nag-aaway kayo mag-asawa, it could be comedy. Pero sa scene, realistically nag-aaway kayo mag-asawa. Pero the way you argue can be funny.
correct. Tsaka ano, we don't play para maging funny. Kasi sabi nga nila,
Mhm.
it would come out naturally. And
Mm-mm.
kasi we play our truths. So, ayun, dun lalabas talaga yung mga funny moments, and really,
Mm-mm.
sobrang ano siya, satisfying when that happens.
Mm.
um,
Tsaka ano din, siguro iba pa, marami ako since you
go lang.
asked.
Yeah, go lang.
Um, realize also na they're still on stage. Um, it's and people are watching you, so you have to relate to them. Although you're playing with your ano, 'di ba? Within your world, within your setting, hindi ka tatalikod sa audience mo tapos magsasalita ka ng mahina, 'di ba?
Yes.
Hindi ka marinig ng audience, lalo ng mga audience sa likod. Uh, your ano, your speech or your spiel won't land kasi 'di ba? Hindi lang narinig, hindi lang na-gets. Hindi lang
Oo.
nakita yung facial expression. So, meron pa rin siyang element ng stage performance. So, yun, yung blocking, well, yung how you face the audience, how you throw your voice and emotion. Play with emotion pa. Parang stage play din kasi, you don't deliver flatly. Masaya ka. Ganun. Kung
Yes,
malungkot ka, papakita mo balungkot mo. Ganun. So
naturally
I guess
lalabas yun.
mga ganong uh, elements na I'd like to impart for the new ones.
There was a question by one of the, I forget who asked it. Sa when you play, or when you're on stage, anong klaseng player ka? Are you the leader or more of the follower? Like,
I
do you initiate, or do you just support?
I'd like to think leader, but some ano eh, ang tawag dun, I vacillate, I oscillate. I
Kasi
vary from I go from leader to follower din naman. Kasi I don't like to be the leader palagi, di ba? So, kasi sayang naman yung offers ng iba.
Right.
I don't have all the ideas anyway. So, pag ano lang, kunyari, ang tagal-tagal, tapos parang nagkakapan pa kayo, tapos wala pang salita, when I'm feeling na naku, masyadong malahaba yung dead air, I'll start na agad.
Right.
So in that sense, I think I'm a leader, but I
Mhm.
don't like to always be the leader.
Yeah. We always have to parang play both sides para to make the story more memorable, and it should progress. Ano pa ba I have a was there a memorable uh parang scene in one of our shows na you think na parang hindi siya ganun kaganda? Or was there may tumatak ba na something sa'yo na you would have
May-
uh
I think ano, nung nag-long form tayo na 2 beses sa isang night, parang oh no, 2 long forms are too much. Tsaka ano din meron din akong game na didn't really fly, yung 2 rooms namin, I forget kung sino man kasama ko dun. Basta nagkasama ko sa 2 rooms, tapos parang, it's not working.
so show ba yun or sa jam lang?
I think it was a show
Sa show.
2 rooms a show.
Yeah,
Parang chandelier pa ata yun if something like that, may chandelier.
hindi yung I don't remember actually. But yeah, mahirap rin talaga kasi laruin talaga yung two room. So, grabe.
Pero it's a reality that sometimes a game will really not fly.
Yeah,
Pero ano din yun, parang isa din sa tinuturo sa atin, if a show is good, okay, so relish it, enjoy it, but then
yeah,
let it go.
yeah,
So it goes also sa other side of it. If it's really bad, okay, so it was bad, learn from it and then let it go.
yeah. You're right. I agree doon. So, kaya siguro hindi ko na matandaan lahat ng shows natin kasi nilet go ko na lahat. But yeah, actually, sobrang now I think about it, parang ang dami ko rin mga dapat connect. But yeah, let's forget about it. Um, what else? What else do you want to share or talk about improv or bimpo na you think would be helpful or yeah makakatulong sa mga iba?
I think it helps din. Kunyari, when you're in a scene, you let people finish their dialogue, their
Yeah,
line. Uh, unless kasama yun sa game na ikakat mo siya.
yeah,
Pero otherwise, pag palagi nakakat, parang hindi rin maintindihan ng audience. Parang, ano nangyari? Yan. Parang mas maganda kung ito yung idea na sinasabi niya, and then you reply to that.
yeah. I agree.
Um,
It's
iniisip ko
one
rin kung
thing
ba't
that go
iniisip ko
ahead.
ba't kung ano yung formula ng spit, why they're really successful. At they're really fun to watch, di ba? Sometimes I try to think about it. Parang ini-analyze ko. Pero maybe I'll tell you when I know.
Na maganda yung ano nila, maganda yung mga offers nila kasi I think it's years of practice na. Well, since kasi 'di ba naputol tayo ng pandemic, we were supposed to have a show in 2019 or was it
2020.
yeah 2020 sorry. Was it just a teaser or something? Kasi
We were
dapat
able to hold the Dirty Little Secrets. It was a Valentine's show. Kaya
tapos
lang by the time March, nag
nag-shut down
close
na.
na.
And
Shut
we
down.
were
Everything shut down.
and we were able to just restart was it early? Yeah, early this year with teaser jams.
Sessionistas.
No,
With the jams.
oo,
Akala ko yung show. Oh, with the jams.
yeah, yung tapos yung previous show sa nung June with hosted by Sessionistas and it really felt good being
Iba
back
yung
on
ano,
stage.
iba pa rin yung when you tried online,
Yeah.
iba yung iba pa rin pag face to
Iba
face.
talaga.
For one thing kasi pag online, minsan hindi sabay-sabay, tas marami kayo. Hindi sabay-sabay yung dating ng ng audio or ng may lagi iba, may
Yeah,
naghahalo. So
sobrang hindi
hindi
siya
organic.
yeah, Iba talaga pag, ewan ko, iba talaga pag face-to-face yung improv. And I'm just glad na, well, we tried noong 2020, pero uh, hindi talaga siya nag-work. And then, yun, masaya, no? Face-to-face this 2024.
Mm.
And I hopefully we continue it na lang with the new members, and I'm really excited. Um, any parting words about improv, or if anything that you want to share, final words?
Ang ang natutuwa akong ano, isa sa mga na-discover ko about improv players are most of them are introverts. So parang, oh wow talaga, yung mga sumasali sa improv, introverts, it's a good thing for them. It's an outlet for them to ano, to play with. And then they get to interact with people somehow, but not directly. So parang they get to act out fantasies then. Parang parang
This is
kinky. Pero di ba, fantasies na wholesome that they can be shown on stage that
correct.
can make people laugh, di ba? Everyone's consumption. Um, if you're afraid to ano, parang message ko for anyone, if you're afraid to um perform on in front of people, to speak up, to speak out, uh in an audience, in a group, in a crowd, if you're second guessing yourself, improv is the way to go. It can really help you with being more sure of yourself, being more self confident. That's it.
Uh, is that how improv has helped you through the years, made you more confident and sure of your
I, Actually, I think so. Even in work, nung time na nag-ano na tayo, nag-improve tayo, biglang isang uh, yeah, supervisor ko, yung immediate supervisor ko, parang nabanggit, parang pinapansin akong nagbago sa'yo, parang ganun. Sa ngiti lang ako. Well,
yeah,
uh,
that's the joy of improv. So yeah,
mhm.
marami pang matututunan. It's a continuous process na, I don't know, hindi ko siya ma-explain eh. I really can't explain how improv has
I guess it's
impacted my life.
therapeutic then.
Yeah,
I think it's therapeutic then.
but it's
So,
not
diba? Kasi you play
therapy.
your
Yeah,
truth.
yeah,
Well, it
that's
doesn't replace therapy, but it's therapeutic.
correct. I agree. Um, ayun. So thank you, Aki, for you know being with me here sa short interview. May gusto ko
Sure.
ba i-promote? I-promote mo yung show natin.
May time ba?
Yeah.
Since this recording, Bimpo will be having our first show after the pandemic on the 27th of July,
July.
27th of July, the last Saturday of July, July 27th, 6 to 8 p.m. in Opera House in Makati, Bautista Street, Makati.
Yeah, Bimbo 2.0 ang pagbabalik.
Bimpo
Um,
2.0 ang pagbalik.
correct.
And we
Ano
have new
lang,
members.
yeah, they should really watch out for our new members. And syempre, panoorin nyo rin dahil kami nandun, mga original members. Tawa talaga, Aki. Yun lang. May gusto ko i-promote like your socials if they want to follow you. Where could they,
Wala
so
naman. I'm not, I
Facebook,
don't have social media presence naman. I have TikTok, but I don't really use it.
Facebook, they want to add you.
No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm fine.
Okay, sige. Go. Anyway, thanks, Aki. It's been great talking to you, and see you on Saturday for the jam.
Thanks, Gabe. See you on
All right.
Saturday.
All right. This is 99. This is Gabe of 99 Yellow Cars, and see you again or talk to you again soon. Bye, guys.
Bye.